All right, Kyler, what do you think about that since you were right up in the grill of that?
I need some earplugs. That was like firing a gun. Like I was like, pop, my ears ringing.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys already know from the title, we are going to be dynoing my F80 M3 today. Shout out to Kyler, F30 skirt. He set up a dyno day. So me, Thousands, and Caleb, yes, another M4, are going to Orlando Auto Works today. They have a dyno jet and we're all going to be dynoing our cars today. So I'm super excited. I know I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, but your boy has been busy with life, wedding planning and stuff like that. This has actually been the longest break that I've taken from YouTube this year, but keeping up with 2 videos a week is very tiresome and very demanding, so it's nice to have a little break. But we are back now. We are going to be filming 4 videos in one day for you guys, so stay tuned. I'm super excited to be picking up the camera again and talking to you guys. I hope everyone is doing good. I'm super excited to see how much power my F80 is putting down. We are actually in the garage right now, flashing back to my stage 2 off-the-shelf map. I went out of town for vacation, so I flashed back to the stock map to save some gas. When I'm here in Orlando, I usually have the F80 Paul Flame 2 map flashed, which is technically stage 2 power, he said. So if they let me, I'm going to do like 2 runs on the OTS stage 2 map from boot mode. And then if I'm allowed, I'm gonna flash to the F80 Paul map for my last run and see if we get any differences there. So yeah, once the car's flashed up, we're gonna head over to Orlando Auto Works and then meet up with the guys. They're already there, and then yeah, this is gonna be a fun-filled dyno day. So the car is finishing up flashing now. Super happy to pick up the camera again. I miss YouTube, I miss editing, I miss reading comments and stuff like that. So do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. Make sure you guys drop a like. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, let's get into this video. Just wanted to interrupt today's video to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So as you guys can see right here, this is my forged carbon fiber slim wallet by Simply Carbon Fiber. This thing is super sleek, super slim, and it holds all of my credit card IDs right there, and then it holds all of my cash that I have on the back. It's super portable, super slim, super ergonomic, and it fits in your pocket perfectly. It doesn't take up too much space like those bulky wallets that most people have. And the best part is it's catered towards car enthusiasts like you and me. They also have watches, sunglasses. So do me a favor guys, check out their website. Use my code FH10 at checkout and you'll get 10% off this order. And I want to thank Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check out their website and get yourself a forged slim wallet just like this one. All right, we just pulled up to Orlando Auto Works. We got Jonathan and Caleb's car right there. That means Kyler's car is probably on the dyno right now getting prepared. So yeah, I'm gonna break these videos up into 4 separate videos. I'm gonna do my car on the dyno, and then I'm gonna do Kyler, Jonathan, and Caleb. So we're gonna do 4 separate videos. So yeah, let's get it. You guys have not seen my car on the channel for a couple weeks now. We did a quick maintenance wash, but F80 is looking as decent as it can for dyno day. We got Jonathan Wang, Thousands in the house. It's super bright today and it's super hot. It's gonna be a long one. We're gonna be sweating. And then here is Caleb, yes, another M4. And yeah, all 4 of us, including Kyler on the dyno, are about to run our cars. I'm super excited to see what everyone gets, especially since we all have different mods. And then even Kyler with the B58. So yeah, this is Orlando Auto Works. I've never been here before, but I've seen a couple of the BMW guys here in Orlando come here. They have a dyno jet. Let me show you guys around, and then we'll probably cut this vlog, continue it when my car's getting loaded, and we'll start Kyler's video very shortly. All right, we are back picking up my vlog here at Orlando Auto Work. The last clip that you guys probably saw was me arriving here. We just wrapped up all 3 dyno runs with Caleb, Kyler, and Jonathan over there with his M4. Next up is your boy's F80. I'm super excited, super anxious to see what the F80 runs on the stage 2 off-the-shelf map. I think we'll be right around 500 or 515 on a good day. I mean, it's super hot right now here in Florida. It's probably like 90 or 92 degrees. You guys will be seeing a featured dyno film on each of their cars after I post the one of mine, of course, first. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you guys follow each of them on Instagram and YouTube to check out their own specific dyno videos. But yeah, let's see what the F80 runs. I think for all of these dyno videos, we're going to be doing a 4th gear pull because 5th gear, it's going to be too fast for the dyno jet. So we're going to do a 4th gear pull, and then the last 2 pulls, I'm going to flash to the F80 Paul Flame Tune map, and we're going to run 2 runs on that and see if the numbers are consistent with stage 2, because I reached out to the F80 Paul team and they said that their flame map is equivalent to like stage 2 power, so we'll see if that holds true. But yeah, stay tuned guys. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, and let's get it. All right, your boy has his F80 loaded onto the dyno. He's strapping her in right now. You guys see the paint looking extra glossy under this lighting. Did give it a little detail last night, but now it's my turn, even though I'm going last out of our group. He does. Yeah, last but not least, he said. What's your name, bro?
Bevo.
Where can they find you?
They can find us CD Performance.
Yeah.
07-994-9242.
You heard it here first.
9907 East Colonial Drive.
Nice.
We got dyno necessities, performing parts, anything y'all need, man. Y'all can give us a call.
Hell
anytime.
yeah. Huge shout out to him for helping us out today, man. He's killing it. And yeah, I'm going last, but actually this video is coming out first, so let me know what you guys think. It's crazy to see the F80 on a dyno. It just looks insane. Looks so badass, I'm not even gonna lie. This shit looks hard as fuck, yo. Alright, so this is actually run number 2. I'm gonna have to delegate to Kyler for run number 1 because your boy's camera wasn't on. I was rubbing a little bit, so he actually loosened the straps so my car doesn't flex as much. I think it ran like 470 or something. So obviously the rubbing came into a play, but here we go, run number 2.
Too much power.
469. Low.
Actually, that makes a lot of sense.
For stage 2?
Yeah, the reason I said 520, 550 was on E30 OCS map, and I forgot you're on 93.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just.
All right, so 469, 462. That's stage 2 off the shelf. I think that's very low for.
Super conservative.
Yeah, very conservative.
If it was a Paul stage 2, it'd probably be like 550, 520.
Yeah, but that's definitely lower than I thought. But now we're gonna flash the F80 Paul Flame Tune and see what we do. All right, here is the Flame Tune flash. We'll see if it actually does it when he downshifts, but stay tuned, everybody. Run number 1 and 2 are done. Pretty underwhelming if you ask me, but that's all good. We're gonna do a F80 Paul Flame Tune.
I can relate to that.
He relates to that. It's all good though. We're gonna do a F80 Paul Stage 2 flame map now, so we'll see what happens. I think I might have a leak, honestly.
I think you have a leak or something.
Yeah.
When's the last time you got new spark plugs?
Not that many like miles ago, like not that long ago.
They just
But it could have been
check their
spark
gas to
plug.
see if they closed up a little bit.
Yeah. Could be
Oh,
gap.
yeah, did you gap them or no?
Yeah, I got
You did?
it. 10.22. Here we go.
Slightly more torque.
Nice. All right, we're at 460G, so it's about the same numbers as before. Again, I'd probably have a leak somewhere because I know online people are hitting like 490 to 515, so we'll figure it out. It didn't do it last time, so I don't know. Do it again. All right, Kyler, what do you think about that since you were right up in the grill of
Bro, I
that?
need some earplugs. That was like firing a gun. Like I was like, pop, my ears ringing.
I mean, we weren't ready for it actually.
Yeah, I wasn't.
Because the first time it didn't pop at all. So, see, that shit was nasty. It was actually wild as fuck. He had to put a heat shield right here. I don't know if you guys saw from the clip, we had flames coming out of the exhaust tips and the dump tubes. So, for the next time we do some flame clips, I'm gonna set you guys up right here so we get a better idea, and then probably get a reel for Instagram too. That shit was bonkers. But regardless of the flames and how loud that was, we do probably have a like charge pipe or boost leak on the turbo side, so I'm gonna go look at that after this. But I'm still happy. We're here doing a dyno day with the boys.
Let's go.
And we got
Fun-ass day.
a fun ass day. Got some content for you guys. Made 4 videos, so I'm stoked. We're letting the F80 cool down right now. And then yeah, we're gonna do another run or two and then get some more videos for you guys. All right, Kyler's leaving, but we are doing another pull. I think we're probably gonna hit the same power number, but I'm actually just more excited to get more flame clips for the gram. This shit's crazy. Alright, so power numbers, we are still the same, but torque, you guys can see, jumped up to 513. Honestly, I'm not even worried about the number. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright, man, your car's too damn loud. What is this?
Alright, that shit's insane. That was insane, dude.
It's terrible.
Scared the shit out of me.
I gave your shit. Oh my god.
Oh, same. While recording.
Oh my god.
Still deaf.
You know what I'm saying? It doesn't keep
So 5th gear. Yeah.
So hopefully without that lead, you get out better, man.
We'll be back. We're just chopping it up outside the shop. All of our cars are posted up right there. This is actually the shop owner's 370Z. Has a Nismo badge on it, not sure, but this thing is hella nice. As you guys can tell, their shop does a lot more like Honda stuff, Honda builds, and they make crazy power. Those ones in there. But yeah, super fun day. You guys are probably gonna comment down below your car is slow as shit, but whatever. It definitely is because I have a boost leak. But all in all, I'm super happy with today's turnout because just shooting the flame, I think just made my entire day and entire month. That shit was crazy. Seeing everybody's reactions was absolutely hilarious. Yeah, the power's not at 500. I think we're at like 463 or something like that, which is hella low. But we'll get it figured out and we'll be back for sure. But I want you guys to stay tuned for the next couple videos to come. Everybody else already ran their cars and had very good numbers to show for it. So stay tuned for the series. It's gonna be a good one. Man, does it feel good to be vlogging again. Let's go. All right, that's gonna wrap it up here at Orlando Auto Works. Everybody's dyno day is done. Everybody had a good time. I had a good time. Make sure you guys give them a follow. Everything will be linked down in the description below. I'll close this one out in the garage, so we'll see you then. All right, YouTube, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Your boy's back, making videos again. It feels so good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the dyno day. We're obviously gonna run the F80 back once we figure out where my boost leak is coming from. I strongly believe that my car has a boost leak right now because, you know, my car is stage 2 with a downpipe, and I should be running between like 490 and 515 to the wheels. So we'll get that sorted out and then we'll run it back. It is what it is. I'm not even worried because I'm just happy to be vlogging for you guys again, making videos and editing and stuff like that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for the series. It's gonna be a good one. And as always, I wanna thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, follow your boy on Instagram, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.